Welcome to Printer Care 101 on the Versa Object MO-240 Wiper Change. Start by looking at your control panel and hit the bell icon. If it's time for a wiper change, it will appear on your notifications menu. If not, if you would like to change the wiper, you will need to go through the maintenance menu. So hit the hamburger menu on the right hand side and select maintenance. Wiper replacement is near the top of the list. Just select it and hit execute. And be sure to wear protective eyewear and gloves before performing the work because you will be dealing with chemicals. Hit OK. And the vacuum table will move down and back, and the print carriage will move to the left to give you access to the wiper station. So open the front cover and the maintenance cover. When you select the next menu, to make sure to eliminate static electricity by touching the frame. And the second instruction is to remove the old wiper. And here is the old wiper in place. So press on the sides and it should remove easily. And here's a look at the old wiper and the clips. Next, take your new wiper and slide it into place. The new wiper, the two squares are the front side, or will be facing to the right, and the back side with the vertical lines is to the left, and that's what's going to slide along the track to get into place. So locate the slot and slide it into the place in the right orientation. And here is another view. After you are finished, close the maintenance cover. An automatic cleaning will commence and you have completed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.